With the COVID-19 pandemic raging around us, making money while staying safe is the name of the game. If you work in real estate marketing, you can find a marketing strategy that works well for you, your agent, seller, and buyer. And you have a winning solution. Since then, 2D photos have been the industry standard when bringing a definitive value to agents, buyers, and sellers. As you go through social media and other real estate website marketplaces, you'll see beautiful images of a home that you know can drive interest and emotionally engage a potential home buyer. They can also impress a home seller who wants to know their homes will be marketed in the best light possible, which can win an agent a listing. However, 2D graphics only provide a realistic but flat view of movement on the screen. Unlike 3D graphics that can provide you a realistic depth, allowing the viewer to see into spaces, notice the movement of lights and shadows, and gain a fuller understanding of what's being shown. Founded in 2011, the brains behind Matterport decided to help you design, promote, operate, understand, and build any space in 3D graphics. In this video, I'm going to tell you the basic things that you need to know about Matterport. Stay tuned. Hello and welcome to Better Trading, where we talk about everything crypto and blockchain. If you're a crypto enthusiast and always crave factual, timely information and news, please subscribe to the channel. You're also welcome to like, share, and comment down below with your thoughts and suggestions. And don't forget to turn on notifications so you can know each time I upload a new video. When Facebook came up with an ambitious new initiative and changed its name to Meta in developing the company's goals from connecting through social media networks towards the digital era, the shares of Matterport have soared nearly 22%. Investor Times also reported that Matterport.Inc. is currently trading at $22.07, representing a change of negative 2.35% from the previous trading day, when it closed at $22.60. Matterport Inc. shares opened the most recent trading day trading at $22.94, reaching a high of $23.26 and a low of $21.53. So what is Matterport? Matterport is a 3D data platform trusted by thousands of businesses around the world to securely store and manage 3D digital twins of their properties because of its amazing features. It's known to be the standard 3D space to transform real-life spaces into immersive digital twin models, empowering people to capture and connect rooms in order to create interactive spaces in 3D models. Founded by Matt Bell and his team in 2011, it's considered as the leading spatial data company that allows its users to turn into a space that can be used to design, promote, operate, understand, and build any space. In 2017, Matterport ranked number 18 on Deloitte's Technology Fast 500, the 500 fastest growing technology, media, telecommunications, life sciences, and energy tech companies in North America. The prestigious recognition followed. The company ranked number 26 on the annual INC 5000 in August and number 3 on the Silicon Valley Business Journal's 2017 list of the top 50 fastest growing private companies in Silicon Valley. Early this year, the company received comparably the Best Company Leadership Award. Matterport was ranked among the top 50 small to mid-sized companies with the Best Company Outlook by Comparably. Winners were narrowed down from 10 million rating across 60,000 North American companies. How beneficial is Matterport to the business industry? Matterport is a 3D data platform trusted by thousands of businesses around the world, particularly in the real estate industry because of its amazing features. Number 1, virtually transports users to your property. With the COVID-19 raging around us, making money while staying safe is the name of the game. If you work in real estate or selling or renting your properties, Matterport will help your customers to be more engaged and will immediately have the preview of the entire space even if you're not physically present in the area. So if you're looking for the best virtual open house, Matterport service is the solution for you. Number 2, improves troubleshooting across engineering and construction sectors. If you're a professional in architecture, engineering, and related industries, the platform will allow you to streamline documentation, 3D scan, as-builds, and collaborate with ease. This will also help you build more efficiently with collaborative project review and allow you to manage all aspects of your projects in 3D. Not only that, Matterport is a great tool in developing greater efficiency across workflows by both enabling a better use of resources and creating new solutions to common issues. This will also help you capture the details of all areas, particularly smaller spaces with greater amounts of detail, and can allow easier troubleshooting by allowing you to inspect and view areas or equipment in greater detail. On a side note, before we check out the disadvantages of Matterport, please like the video if you're enjoying it thus far. Hit the subscribe button as well so you never miss out on any Bitcoin information and news. That said, let's get back to the video. Every technology that comes to market comes with its own limitations. So here are the disadvantages of using Matterport. Number 1, it's expensive. When you get your property professionally shot, the virtual tour will be more expensive than other options. It's also recommended to buy your own camera since Matterport charges hosting fees for each property. Number 2, takes time. Tours take a while to shoot, up to 1.5 hours per 1,000 square feet, since they're capturing so much, like the room's measurements. Number 3, proprietary hosting. Only Matterport can host the models which come at the cost that will be built into pricing. If you found this video hopeful, don't forget to like and share it with your friends. I regularly upload news, trends, and education information on crypto and finance. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to avoid missing out. If you have anything that you'd like to add on to today's topic, drop a comment below. With that, I reached the end of the video. See you in the next one.